Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are ready for your final term. And at the end of your final term, there will be your annual exam, and then you will be promoted in class 3. So let's start. This is our week number 2. Second term or final term, your subject is social studies. This is Sadi Ajmal here, and our topic is clothes, lesson number 7. Let's start our topic details. People all over the world wear clothes. Why we wear clothes? Clothes protect the body from heat and cold. Clothes protect our body from heat and cold. In some parts of the world, it is very cold and people wear warm clothes. People wear clothes made of wool and fur to keep warm. In other parts of the world, it is hot and people wear clothes made of cotton to keep cool. Such like the deserted countries, the weather is very hot and people wear very light clothes and cotton clothes. Men and women wear different type of clothes. You can see the different designs of clothes are here that men and women they wear. In Pakistan, you will see people dressed like the different dresses. Okay, people in other countries dress in different kinds of clothes. The Japanese have the different dress. Chinese have their own traditional dress. Burmese, Nigerian, and the other people of the country have the different dresses. So now the question is that how this fabric or dress are made. How fabrics are made. For this, we will see that in details, fibers are twisted together to make yarns. Yarns made into fabrics. It is woven, knitted or bonded. Weaving. Weaving yarns laid in one direction are passed under and over yarns laid in the opposite direction. Dear students, clothes are made from fabric and fabric is usually made of cotton, wool, silk and other yarns. How the fabric is made? Fabric is usually made of cotton, wool, silk and other yarns. Now see the process of cotton, that how it is made from the cotton. First of all, cotton plant. Cotton plant is grown and machines that make clothes are called power looms. You can see in the picture, these are the power looms. And wools also come, wool comes from sheep. Wool comes from sheep and silk comes from silkworms. Fabric is also made from chemicals. Some names you might know are rayon and nylon. Students, fabric is also made from chemicals. Some names you might know are rayon and nylon. The names of these chemicals are rayon and nylon. Fabric is also made from chemicals and some names are rayon and nylon. Students, we grow lots of cotton in Pakistan. We also use lots of cotton to make clothes. So we buy cotton from other countries. In Pakistan, there is lot of cotton is grown. The first step is creating fabric is yarn production. and this is the most important step. The first step is creating fabric in yarn production. Here the raw material that have been harvested and processed are transferred from raw fibers into yarn and threads. This process of joining the yarn together is called weaving. Weaving. Weaving is done on a machine known as a loom and requires two sets of yarns. I'm going to repeat the process again. The first step is creating fabric is yarn production. Here the raw material that have been harvested and processed are transferred from raw fibers into yarn and threads. This process of joining the yarn together is called weaving. This process of joining the yarn together is called weaving. This process of joining the yarn together is called weaving. Weaving is done on a machine known as a loom and requires two sets of yarns. And fabric is also made from chemicals, and these names are rayon and nylon. What are the names? Names are rayon and nylon. Okay, dear students, you see in the picture that after making the fabric, this fabric is also printed and embroidered. Printed and embroidered in different steps. Now, weaving is a major process of making fabric clothes. Weaving is a major process of making fabric or clothes. So first step, that cotton plant is grown, and then machines that make clothes are called power looms. It brings to the machines, and weaving is done on machines. Weaving is a major process of making fabric or cloth. In it, two distinct sets of yarns called the wrap and the filling or weft are interlaced with each other to form a fabric. Yarns made from natural fibers like cotton, silk and wool and synthetic fibers such as nylon and orlon are commonly used for weaving textiles. This all process is used in the cotton industry where weaving, dyeing, printing to prepare the fabric or cloths. So what are three types of fabrics? Can you tell me the names, students? What are three types of fabrics? Number one is cotton. Cotton. Most cotton fabrics are pre-shrunk, which makes them highly durable. Cotton. Most cotton fabrics are pre-shrunk, which makes them highly durable. The other one is polyester, nylon. These are the synthetics fiber. Polyester, nylon. The other one is rayon. Rayon. The word is rayon. The next is linen. 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 Rayon, cotton, polyester, nylon, rayon, linen. The other word is cashmere and silk. Silk comes from silkworms. Silk comes from silkworms. The people work with clothes and Clothes can also be made on handlooms. Clothes are stitched in factories. So dear students, I hope that you have got the concept of that how the fabric is made and what are three types of fabrics. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.